Hello student, Hemant Sir is here again. So today we will discuss about the next type of question of your trigonometric part, class 10th. Okay. So we have the next question. It says if 5 sin theta, it is example number 3, which is given in your textbook number, textbook page number 129. Okay. It says if 5 sin theta equals to 5 sin theta minus 12 cos theta equals to 0, then find the values of other trigonometric ratios. Okay. So by using this, we have to calculate the values of sin theta. Here it is given as sec theta, cosec theta. We have to find the value of sec theta and cosec theta. Okay. So we have to solve this first. So we have solution. Solution. We will write question first. What is question? It is 5 sin theta minus 12 cos theta equals to 1. So we have to transfer this to another side. So it will become 5 sin theta equals to, it is minus, will become plus, it is 0, will become 12 cos theta. See, हमको cos theta इस साइड में चाहिए. So we have to transfer the cos theta to another side, and this 5 will another side. So what we will get? We will get sin theta divided by cos theta equals to, we have 12, and if we transfer this to another side will be in negative form. So it will be 12 divided by 5. So this is the value of sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay. So we know sin theta divided by cos theta means tan theta. Therefore, tan theta equals to what? It is sin theta divided by cos theta. So sin divided by cos is 10. So we can write 10 here. So we can write therefore tan theta equals to 12 divided by 5. Okay. This is the value of tan theta. Now we have to calculate the value of sec theta and cosec theta. So we have discussed about the three identities which are given in your textbook, and we have derived in our previous video also. The three identities we have, one identity we have sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Then second we have sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So can we use here the sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. This is the identity. So the value of tan we have 12 divided by 5 here. So by putting the value of tan theta, we can calculate the value of sec square theta. Okay. So therefore sec square theta equals to 1 plus, what is tan theta? It is 12 divided by 5. So here we have square of 10. So that will be 12 divided by 5 square. Now we have to solve. So sec square theta equals to 1 plus square of 12 is 144 divided by square of 5 is 25. So sec square theta equals to, here we have nothing but 1. So we have to multiply this to another side. So 25 plus 1 into 144 divided by 25. Okay. So we have to add this now. Sec square theta equals to, will become 4 plus 5 is 9. then 2 plus 4 is 6 and 1. So 169 divided by 25. So this is the value of sec square theta. Now we have to calculate the value of sec theta. That means we have to take root on both the sides. So therefore directly we can write sec theta equals to, or sec square theta equals to, we can write this is the square of 13. So 13 divided by this is the square of 5. So we can write this also. Square and square will get cancelled. So we have sec theta equals to 13 divided by 5. And we have to calculate the value of sec theta. So we got the answer. Now we will, if sec theta is this one, 13 divided by 5. So we know cos theta equals to 1 divided by sec theta. Therefore cos theta equals to, the sec theta is 13 divided by 5. So cos theta will become 5 divided by 13. Okay, so we have the value of cos theta. So we can calculate the value of sin theta. How? By identity. What is identity for cos theta? It is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we have the value of cos, so we will transfer this to another side. Sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta equals to 1 minus, what is cos? 5 divided by 13. So we have to write 5 divided by 13 and its square. So sin square theta equals to 1 minus square of 5 is 25 divided by square of 13 is 169. So here we have to solve. Sin square theta equals to 169 minus 25 divided by 169. So sin square theta equals to 169 minus 25 is 144 divided by 169. So sin square theta equals to 144 is square of 12 and 169 is square of 13. So we can write whole square. So square and square will get cancelled. This is 3. So sin theta equals to 12 divided by 13. So sin theta equals to 12 divided by 13, and we have to calculate the value of cosec theta. So cosec theta is opposite of sin. So since cosec theta equals to 1 divided by sin theta, therefore cosec theta equals to 13 divided by 12. Okay, so this is the way we had to calculate the values. Okay, now we have to write the result. So result. We have to calculate the value of cosec theta. So the value of sec theta equals to 13 divided by 5, and for cosec theta equals to 13 divided by 12. This is the answer. Okay, so this is very simple, that you have to use these identities. So on the basis of identities you can calculate the values of other trigonometric ratios. Okay, so write down the question. So guys, you have to solve problems which are given in your exercise 6.1 in page number 131. we have already discussed about first, second and third question. Now on that basis you have to solve fourth question. Okay, the fourth question says if 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta equals to 0, then find the value of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Okay, so trigonometric part is really very important. Okay, so you have to concentrate on your studies, and अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है then keep repeating the videos. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.